sunny and 74, wind south at 10. And it'll... The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Forsyth County in north-central Georgia, Banks County in northeastern Georgia, Central Hall County in north-central Georgia, northern Jackson County in northeastern Georgia, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 2:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Oakwood, or near Gainesville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gainesville, Jefferson, Commerce, Homer, Flowery Branch, Oakwood, Lula, Maysville, Gillsville, Talmo, Kendler, Pinefield Crossroads, Chastity, Oscarville, and Banks Crossing. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.